We're going to create a new layer that we'll call texture. And we're going to make a frame to create a vignette effect. We'll apply a gradient to this rectangle that we've just made. Let's select our blue colour and delete it, and take the black to the right and increase its opacity to 100%. Now with the gradient tool, we'll push the black towards the edges and we'll push the grey out a little bit too. And we'll set the blending mode for this layer to multiply. Let's reduce the opacity to 75%. As our final step, we're going to make a grainy texture. First, we'll make a rectangle the same size as the artboard, and we'll apply a linear gradient of 90%. Let's adjust this middle handle to 50%. Then we'll go to Effect, Texture, Grain. And we'll give it these values: intensity 20, contrast 0, and grain type stippled. Then we'll go to Object, Expand Appearance. We'll then click on Image Trace. Then we'll get this message that the image is too big, but just hit OK. We'll open the Image Trace options, and in Advanced Options, we'll put this one at 80, and this one at 1. And we'll select Ignore White. Let's expand the image trace. And set the blending mode to soft light. Change the opacity to 70%. And our vector grain texture is finished.